front of me is Nubia RedMagic 11A, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. Begin by going into Tab menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen, like that, and then hold this line below Brightness slider and drag it down. This way you will see all of your shortcuts. Now look for location 1, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine turned blue, which means that location is on. To switch it off, tap on the same one until it's gray. Quick tip, if you wish, you can also go into settings, scroll to tap on location section under storage 1, and manage it thanks to this switcher at the top. Here you can also read all about it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!